scrolling. What if I told you that there's a way to make absolutely free money from Web3 without any skills, without no coding, and without no stress? Sounds crazy, right? Well, it's absolutely true, and it's done through what we call airdrops. Yes, it's literally like free money falling down from the crypto sky. So stick around and I will show you how to do that in just 60 seconds. Now here's the deal. Crypto projects give tokens to early users on their platform. All you need is your laptop or your phone, an internet connection, and your willingness to eat free money. Now let's break it down. Step 1. Get a laptop or a phone, more preferably an Android phone ready. Step 2. Have an access to internet connection. Step 3. Get a crypto wallet. More preferably, I recommend you making use of a MetaMask or a Phantom wallet. Step 4. Follow Web3 projects on Twitter, that is X, and join their Discord channel. And step 5. Interact with their platforms. Swap tokens, join communities, and stay active. And when they launch, boom! Free crypto lands in your wallet. Easy, right? For example, just last month here, I made $42.3 from social value airdrop. In less than 2 weeks, I was able to make 30 social value, which was equivalent to $42.3 from social value airdrop. You can imagine I had spent like a month plus on that particular platform. Imagine how much I would have made. All I did back then was just every day I came online to that platform and just checked in. That was pretty much all. That was all I did. And in less than 2 weeks, I was able to make $42.3 from their platform. That shows you the potential of participating in Web3 airdrops. So there's no more, I want 2K, borrow me 2K, help me with 2K. It has stopped. With Web3 airdrops, you can make a whole lot more from doing just a little bit of an effort. And guess what? Anyone with a phone, particularly an Android phone, can participate in an airdrop. That's all you need. You only need a phone, you only need an internet connection, and you need a willingness to eat Web3 money for free. The more projects you interact with in Web3 airdrops, the better your chances of eating Web3 money. So imagine you make $100 from one project, and imagine you interacted with like 5 projects. You have the possibility of making at least $500 to $1,000 by doing little to nothing. It's that simple, guys. It is that simple. But here's the catch. You have to be active. Yes. Follow airdrop hunters on X, that's Twitter. Join their Discord channel and stay active. Keep an eye for any new airdrops they have available or they post on their X account. Once you start getting involved, you learn about new projects, you meet like-minded people, and you might even meet your next big opportunity in the world of Web3. It's more like getting paid to learn. Sounds cool, right? Now I know what you are thinking. This sounds amazing, but what is the catch? Honestly, the only catch here is that you have to put in a little effort. How? By staying updated on new projects, by following the right people on X, that is Twitter, and by spending a few minutes each day on the airdrop platform. That simple. So this goes ahead to tell you that anyone with a phone, anyone with an Android phone can participate in an airdrop. All you need is your phone, an internet connection, and a willingness to eat Web3 money for free. So let's be real, guys. If someone offered you $1,000 for just 10 minutes of your time, would you take it? Exactly. So why not give Web3 airdrops a chance or a shot? Now here's a quick start to get you started today. Step 1. Get a crypto wallet, more preferably a MetaMask or a Phantom wallet, and get signed up. Step 2. Follow airdrop hunters on Twitter, that is X. I will drop some of their names on my description, and I will also drop some airdrops you should be participating in as soon as possible, because they are definitely going to cook. And by what do I mean by cook? They are definitely going to pay if you participate in them. Step 3. Join Discord servers of promising projects. And step 4. Stay active and consistent. Yes, you have to be active, you have to be consistent. You have to do a follow-up up each day, and the follow up is in less than 10 minutes of your time, so anyone can do it. That is it, guys. No skills, no trading, no coding, no need to be a tech guru or a tech pro. All you need is just your phone, an internet connection, and a willingness to learn, or to, of course, to eat Web3 money. So what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Get out there and start hunting those airdrops. And hey, if you found this video helpful, make sure to give this video a like, share it to your friends or anyone you think will find this video helpful, and to also help push it out to other persons that have interest in Web3 airdrops as well. And don't forget, make sure to hit the subscribe button, because in my next video, I'll be sharing with you how to set up your MetaMask wallet or your Phantom wallet, and also a few airdrops that are definitely going to cook. That means they are definitely going to pay if you join in on them as fast as possible. So hit the subscribe button, follow me for more, and I'll see you on my next video. Remember, the crypto sky is raining free money, so go grab your own share. Bye.